Joining me is Dan from Norstrom Proflush. Dan, tell us a little bit who you are, what you do.
So, I run a company called Norstrom Proflush. We're based in the northwest of England and we manufacture Powerflush machines and also sell chemicals and accessories for our range of machinery.
Dan, is it really important that before we put a boiler on a heating system that the heating system is clean?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, a lot of the time these days people are installing new boilers onto dirty systems. As you can imagine, if you're going to put something like that onto a dirty system, the dirty water is going straight back into the boiler, which will cause for the boiler to die a lot sooner than it should do.
A great way of cleaning the system, Dan, is a power flush. How does a power flush work?
Okay, so a power flushing machine works by connecting up the system to obviously a boiler via the flow and return. And what we're then going to do is create a circulation. So you're going to create a circulation, flush around with some of the power flushing chemicals we have on the market at the moment. And what that will do is it'll start to break down all the sludge, the oxides, the magnetite within the system, allowing for you to flush it out and dump it and fill the system back up with clean water.
How long does a power flush take?
So a power flush usually takes, I'd say, roughly 6 to 7 hours. For me, that's the least time you want to be on site getting the flush done. It's also very important for me that you pre-dose the system. So if we can make sure we're going onto site, say 6 to 7 days prior, pre-dosing the chemical, and then when you have arrived onto site, half your job's already done for you. It's very important that we don't use budget chemicals as well. For me, there's a lot of engineers these days using budget chemicals that you can pick up from any plumbing merchants for £2–3. Now, it doesn't say that these chemicals are actually doing their job. Yeah, they are cheap, but if you spend an extra £10, you're going to be getting the job done a lot quicker and to a lot better efficiency.
How does someone know when a power flush has been done properly?
So the best ways of telling if a power flush has been done properly is by doing a water test after you've done the flush, comparing the results from before and after. Not only that, but also getting a thermal imaging shot. So that will allow you to see the difference that you've made before and after doing the flush, which is very important for not only yourself, but also for the consumer.
Is there anything that needs doing after a power flush?
So once the power flush has been done, there's one very important thing that needs doing, which is rebalancing the system.
Dan, it's been a pleasure to have you on. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me here, Nathan.
I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. This is your opportunity to rate us. Drop us a like if you think it was good. Leave us a comment, subscribe, share it with someone you think you might like it, and we'll see you soon.